The Air 25 Inflatable Antenna Tower. So portable it can be carried in a backpack. Incredibly easy to use, it sets up in minutes. When you open the case, you'll find everything you need. Stakes, drop bags with ropes. The tower has an internal blower system with automatic pressure control that plugs up to any 110 volt power source. With a 1000 watt inverter, you can use it from your car battery. This crosspiece allows the tower to be used with any vehicle with a receiver hitch mount. With one 3/8" bolt, you attach to the bottom of the tower. Now simply insert the long end of the crosspiece into your receiver hitch and insert a hitch pin. The tower is now mounted for travel or for inflation. Pull out the end of the tower. This is the top of the tower. You should attach your control rope to the small patch at the top. An antenna may be attached to the same spot, and its coax cable run down the side attached to the wiring tabs with zip ties. Start pulling out the tower. Simply pull it out of the bag, let it pile at your feet, until you get to the airtight zipper at the bottom, which should be open from the last deflation. If you plan to use your internal light, now is the time to mount it. Plug it into the internal power connection and stick it down using the magnetic mount. A very secure attachment. Zip up the airtight zipper. Be sure that it's closed tightly. And now you can start your inflation. Plug in the power cord. The entire inflation sequence takes less than 45 seconds. As the top of the tower is ready to leave the ground, grab the top control rope. This allows you to control the payload as it rises from the ground. Your tower will actually lift your payload into place 25 feet in the air. The deflation is just as simple. Open the black valve above the intake. As you hear the air start to rush out, pull down briskly on the top of the tower. Again, you're controlling the payload. You can tie off temporarily at the bottom. You can adjust your airflow. Open the zipper a little ways to allow the air to come out more forcefully. Pile up the tower as it deflates onto the little tarp so that it stays clean. Now you can open the zipper all the way. An easy deflation. Push out some of the air and then start loading your tower. The bag is plenty roomy, so no specific loading is necessary. Fan folding is nice. You can detach your control rope or leave it in place for the next inflation. The zipper stays open to allow air to escape the whole time. You will close it on the next inflation. Pull the drawstring bag into place. After you've tightened it down, you're ready to ride or pack it back up in its backpack case. It's that easy. The Air 25 by LTA Projects.